Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you guys are having a great Wednesday, and thank you for joining me today on All Things Masters Universe. Today on the channel, we'll be looking at the final figure of the Masters Universe Origins line from Wave 7, and it's a good one. It is Stridor, the heroic armored warhorse. And here he is in his packaging, with attached blast effects, with all the features that comes with Stridor. And as we speak right now, he's at Walmart. If you need one, you can find him at Walmart. And here's a beautiful artwork of, looks like Terraclaw Skeletor or Dragon Blast Skeletor. I'm not too sure. With the Roton, we have Screech. We have Fisto, but I wish Fisto was in Stridor, but I'm still glad he's there. We got He-Man charging to battle, and of course, in the background, hovering over them, Sunman. There he is in the packaging. I'm gonna flip around to the back. You got Zor, with Stridor. And you can change his helmet if you wish. And you can, in his, the ground that he comes with can be a part of Castle Grayskull in the back. You can see that right there. I like to put my Stridor in front of Castle Grayskull. It comes with a stand, so you can pose them as you wish. And of course, all the figures in Wave 7. I've done a review of each of these. If you'd like to go back and check it out. All right. And this is what Stridor looked back in the 80s. The vintage one. The packaging, thanks to Pixel Dan and Dark Horse Comics once again for this amazing book. So this is what he looked like back in 1984, when he was first released in the 80s line. Okay, if you give me 1 second, I'll show you what he looked like in the Classics Lines guide. And here he is in Classics, guys. So it looks like they added that helmet in Classics. I'm sorry, where you go? Right there. Sorry. All right. And I do have a loose version of Stridor. Here, I'll bring him out right now. And of course, I have to have him with the Fisto. Here we go. Really, beautiful, 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 absolutely gorgeous. I love this. I love that he comes with a stand, and you can pose him however you wish. I love the blast effects that it comes with. I really wish that the blast effects can shoot out. It can shoot. You can press a button and you can shoot them. Nice, fabric rope right here. That goes in, just snap into his mouth right here. And the stickers are already included on the horse or Stridor already, so you don't have to put them on like the one from the 80s, which is nice. And I like to keep, I like to put my base in front of Castle Grayskull. I don't remember, his base, like Stridor's base inside Castle Grayskull. I think that's kind of weird to me, but there we go. I mean, all a cool character, and one I'm happy to have in my collection. And I hope you guys feel the same way. And I'm also excited because Big Bag Toy Store just delivered Grizzlor and the, my second favorite figure of all time, which is Faker, the blue Faker. I like it, but I don't know about the face though. Like, especially, I love the eyes. I love those eyes. They look dead, like creepy, like evil looking eyes. But the hair is a little off to me. But I'm so happy that Big Bag Toy Store, was able to get these out fast to their, customers. And I hope you guys have these too, hopefully. So we'll be looking at those soon. But back to Stridor. I'm going to change his helmet off to the other one. To this helmet right here. And there we go, guys. There's the other helmet right there. All in all, an amazing character. And I hope we get Night Stalker soon in the line. And I hope you guys have him as well in your collection. Shouldn't be hard to find because he's part of Wave 7. And right now, for me, speaking of me, like, there's like tons of him at Walmart right now as we speak. So hopefully, if you have a Walmart nearby, and I hope you guys have one in the box and loose in your collection, guys. If not, Walmart.com, probably have like tons of him online. That would be my first bet. Try that first. If you have a Walmart and they're sold out, try Walmart online. But there you go, guys. There's a quick look at Stridor, the heroic armored warhorse / steed / vehicle figure. An amazing figure to have again. Here's some more shots right here of Fisto. I got a question. Do have a question. Why is Fisto so popular with Stridor? It's been like this. Oh, I lost his sword, but we'll get that later. But yeah, what is because he looks so good. I mean, they match up so perfectly. I don't remember a Filmation cartoon. I think Stridor was only in one Filmation cartoon, and Fisto was even a part of that. So why is Fisto so popular with Stridor? Please leave that in the comments below, guys. I would really like to know. I like it though. I love the combination. I think it's amazing. Maybe that's why. Maybe because the combination, they fit together so well, and they look so badass. So there you go, guys. Alright guys, I'm going to take the time out to thank all my subscribers. If you made it this far in the video, and you have subscribed, hit that subscribe button, guys. I love talking all things Master Universe, from Origins to Masterverse, to the CGI line. And I'll be starting the CGI line tomorrow with that Netflix show. The second one, there's two Netflix shows, Masterverse and I would call it the CGI He-Man. hit that like button, guys. That thumbs up, and hit that notification bell when you know when I upload new videos. And tomorrow, like I said, I'll be starting the CGI line with those characters, including that Castle Grayskull. I have a second one now that I opened, and I gotta say that Castle Grayskull is pretty badass. Share this video, guys, with anybody who has a passion for Master Universe. And once again, I want to thank you guys for joining me today on this Wednesday. Until next time, guys, take care.